on the side as well. You just have to put in all your thumbtacks. Just look at this, the detail. And then when we look at the actual players, there's those stickers you just stick right onto the board, really quick and easy. Christian McCaffrey is usually going to be in the top 3. Great running back for the Carolina Panthers. Dalvin Cook, they run heavy in Minnesota, so it's going to be a very run-heavy oriented draft. Derrick Henry, a beast, 2,000 yards, a ton of touchdowns. Alvin Kamara, I feel like he's also going to have a big year. They don't have Drew Brees anymore, so they're going to have to rely on like check downs, I believe. EZEKIEL, ELLIOTT, Nick Chubb, Aaron Jones for the Packers. SAQUON Barkley, if he stays healthy, this guy could be a beast. Kind of got TYREEK Hill in the top 10 on my end. He is paired up with Patty Mahomes. Then we got DAVANTE Adams, Stephon Diggs in Buffalo with Josh Allen. Travis Kelce, can't go wrong with him. Big end zone target, DeAndre Hopkins. Gonna pair well. I feel like Kyler Murray's gonna actually do well with him. DK, Darren Waller for my Vegas Raiders. But it's a very easy draft board to use. And when we take a look at the stickers, you got all your NFL players. You got your wide receivers in blue. You got your running backs, tight ends, multiple pages full of stickers. You can easily peel these off and throw this onto the draft board. You got the QBs. Ooh, one of my favorite picks. We're doing Aaron Rodgers, kickers. And if you're missing a little, they have an extra page where you can actually write it in and then peel it off and throw it onto the board. Like I said, these stickers are really easy to use. Like this, you just peel it off. Team 7, Aaron Rodgers. And we just keep on continuing. Let's say Ben Roethlisberger. We just throw him somewhere down here. It's as easy as that. This right here, guys, was the KOOM3 Draft Kit. Shop now.